Ready na si Jessie. So, happy Halloween! Trick or treat! Trick or treat! Happy Halloween! Yay! Ready na si Jessie. Mang Halloween, mang trick or treat! Trick or treat! Happy Halloween! Trick or treat! Trick or treat! Happy Halloween! Trick or treat! Happy Halloween! Ready na kami mag-Halloween, mag-trick or treat! Ready na kami! At ayan si Dad! OMG, Daddy! Trick or treat! Happy Halloween! Si Daddy at si Jessie ready na mang Halloween! Trick or treat! Happy Halloween! Trick or treat! Yay! Ready na kaming mag-trick or treat ni Jessie! Happy Halloween! Pati si Daddy naglagay na ng chocolate sa labas! Trick or treat, Daddy, where's your mask?
Kitchen, but not
Look at Daddy, you're in glow in the dark. So nice outfit. And how about Jessie? You're ready to go? Are you ready for trick or treat? Happy Halloween! Trick or treat! Happy Halloween! Si Angel, same kami ng costume. Tingnan niyo naman ang aking dalaga. Trick or treat! Happy Halloween! Ayan, nag-trick or treat ng aking pamilya. Trick or treat! Get some candy, just one! Just get one, Jessie!
2 tricks per person.
Only one, please.
2 treats. They said 2 treats.
Only one. Ayan, may nakuha na kaming candies. Trick or treat. Happy Halloween. Good boy, Jessie. Ayan, ang dami nang mga batang nag-trick or treat. Trick or treat. Happy Halloween. Oh, ang ganda naman ng nila. Come on, Jessie. Come here, Jessie. Get inside, get some candies. Here, Jessie. What is it? One per person, please. Here. Happy Halloween! Happy Halloween! Here, put in here. Basta merong decoration, meron yan. Baka ubos na. Baka meron pang candy. No more candy.
Okay, ito.
Okay, Miss Gan. It's okay.
We are late.
Oh, ang ganda ng costume nila. Ang daming nanti-trick or treat ng mga kids. Iba-ibang costume. Oh. Trick or treat. Come on, Jessie.
Jessie?
No?
The Halloween, you don't get them?
Yes, sir.
Ang daming kids na nag-trick or treat din. Nagsura namin. Trick or treat.
Yes, it's lights.
Look at that. There's a lot of kids doing trick or treat.